grab the vlog, you know? So what do we got going on here? It's day 2 at Skytop.
Day 6.
Well, at Skytop it's day 2.
We got Doomwich over here filling up the pump.
And
get some water on the track.
We're gonna shred some motos. Oh, we got another pump back here.
Pump station.
Yeah. Yep. Blown line. Damn, crikey. Damn, look at that. He's looking at us. Let's go wrestle him. Yeah, you can take some videos. This one's full.
Why not, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna run the GoPro. We'll get some more clips on the side of the track.
We out here, you know, your boy Terry, doing a little filming out here, Skytop. Got Jesse Pierce, Donzi. A little Chris Doomich action. You already know.
So my last moto before, we're just riding around getting some shots for Mike, and my pipe decided to fall off. For some reason, the thing like comes loose every single time I ride. So my friend Andy, he's actually parked down there right now. He was ripping today. I'll throw some of his clips in the vlog. You've probably seen him by now. He gave me a bolt and some washers to put back in it, and I'll Loctite it up this time, and hopefully she stays on. Alright, well, me and Doomich are in here doing some bike work. My pipe fell off today. Got some new bolts put in thanks to Andy. Doomich got me some Loctite. Yeah, so now we gotta do the filter, change the oil.
Got the Earl 350 ready to go.
Things looking good, Jess. How you liking your bike, bro?
I like
first couple rides on the Husky.
Every day I ride it. I like
I'm sure
it
the
better.
vlog's gonna wonder. A lot of people probably wonder how the Husky 350 is. What's your impressions on, you know, the bike overall? What do you think?
I think it's the perfect bike. It's super stiff at first, but every day we ride it, it's better and better.
Yeah.
So just got to get it figured out. But
Yeah.
it's sick. The motor's perfect.
The only thing I'm not a fan of is the air forks, you know?
Yeah.
Just a lot of work,
They're hit
you
and
know?
miss, but TCD Tim, we're gonna get it all figured out.
Yeah.
So it'll be good.
Yeah, you guys got a good setup going.
Yep.
Alright, well, I gotta work on my bike now. Hello. We rode PAX one day, and then here at Skytop twice. That's what it's looking like. So this is gonna get ready for Spider tomorrow. Alright, well, that's gonna wrap it up for today, I guess. Tomorrow, me, Doomich, Jesse, we're all hitting Spider MX. And then I think Thursday we're gonna be ripping WW. So if you like today's video, give it a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.